I'm going to do like a bit of a full face, get ready with me. I'll just show you my YSL favourites. So I'm going to start off with the YSL Blur Primer, which I love. So I've already done my skincare. Just going to take like one pump. It's got little gold flecks in it, which kind of like just melt into your skin. This makes your skin so matte but glowy because it's also got the gold specks. So literally put that all over my face. It's so nice. Like, cannot explain to you how smooth this makes your skin. And I think you've seen me use the YSL All-in-One Glow like a million times, so I'm going to show you the YSL All Hours foundation today. Let's give it a shake. Again, one pump. I remember the first time I used this, I was like, oh my god, this is unreal. Like, the smoothness. So, gonna just... This is the shade BD60. So I'm really taking my time blending this, because that's what I like to do. But can you just see, it just looks really natural, nice matte finish. But like not caked on matte, like a nice kind of glowy matte finish. Now I'm going to take the Touche Eclair High Cover Concealer. So I'm going to show you one eye at a time. I'm just going to take a beauty blender and blend that in. I think you can. This side definitely looks more like dark circle bags. I love how lightweight it is. You can just literally just dab it on. Keep it in your handbag. I actually keep this concealer in my handbag just because it's so easy to just dab on and go. It doesn't get all weird. We don't have like a weird build up if you put it on top of powder. It's just so lightweight, you can just dab and go. Just move the camera so you can see a bit better. There you go. Can you see how nice and lightweight that is? It literally just looks like my skin. It doesn't look like so heavy under the eyes. So now I'm going to take some of the All Hours setting powder just to set under my eyes. I just use this powder very lightly. You can build this powder up to be kind of like quite a heavy coverage if you want to. And I'm just going to very lightly use this powder just to basically just my T-zone really, anywhere I get a bit shiny, just to set my makeup there. This foundation is quite matte, so I don't feel like I need it everywhere. Can you just see how like flawless and airbrushed my base looks? Like it looks like I've just applied an Instagram filter. Now I'm just going to apply some mascara. So this is the YSL Lady Doll False Lashes Effect Mascara. So you see that brush. You can see the difference in the lashes there. It looks natural, but my lashes look quite a bit longer. Then one of my favourite products is this Bronzing Stones bronzer. So this is the shade 3. Love this. Get a nice big brush and go into my forehead, into my hairline, brush it into my hairline so I look all sun-kissed. Can you see how nice that looks? Just here where the sun would naturally hit. Like almost blending your blusher and your contour. Just over my nose, jawline. And then to finish off, I have 2 lip products. So I have the, I could never say this, I have this one, basically looks like that, matte satin, which basically looks like that. I think we'll go with the matte, not even satin, matte stain. Then of course my YSL Black Opium.